Speak English Podcast with Aisell and Rahman. Let's learn.
You say right, but they hear light. Sound familiar? You say rice, but they hear lice. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the R and L sounds in just 8 minutes. 1 secret technique, 2 tongue positions, and a bridge. A real bridge between your tongue and American English. Stay with me. This one is going to change the way you speak. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Speak English with Aisell, the podcast where real English meets real life. I'm your teacher, Aisell, and with me today, as always, my favorite student and co-host,
Rahman. And guys, I have to say, today's topic is 100% my story, because I used to say light instead of right, and when someone asked me for directions, they went the wrong way.
Rahman, you are not alone. And hey, if you are listening right now and you are nodding your head, drop a comment and tell us, this is my problem too. Don't get me wrong. The R and L sounds, they're tricky. They build frustration. But here is the key. In Arabic, there is only one sound for both. It's called the Arabic R, r. So your brain, it uses what it knows, R for everything. That is called interference. Interference.
Okay, wait, Aisell, can you explain that in simple English? Why are R and L so different exactly?
Great question. L means your tongue touches the roof of your mouth, right behind your top teeth. Think about it like this. When you say L, your tongue touches L. But when you say R, your tongue curls back. It does not touch. L, touch. Tongue touches behind top teeth. R, float. Tongue curls back, never touches.
Oh, so L touches, but R floats. That makes sense.
That is perfect. Write that down, everyone. And I want you, yes, you listening, to tell me in the comments which sound is harder for you, R or L. Be honest, no judgment here. Before the practice, I need to tell you about one important idea. It's called tongue position. First, the L sound, L. In plain English, it means tongue touches. Put your tongue behind your top teeth. Feel it? Like light, love, let. Tongue touches. Say it with me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Second, the R sound, R. This means tongue curls back. It does not touch the roof. It floats in the middle, like right, red, run. Tongue floats. Say it with me. Okay, I have to say, I made exactly this mistake. I used to say rice, but people heard lice. That was embarrassing. Everyone has done this. And when you don't curl your tongue for R, your brain is not learning English. Your brain is just surviving. Tell me in the comments, what word do you mix the most? Right? Light? Really? Love? Write it below. Be honest. Okay, practice number 1. And this one is my personal favorite. It's called touch versus float. For L, your tongue touches. For R, your tongue floats. And here is the secret ingredient. Put your hand in front of your mouth. Say ooh. Now say Wait, so for R, I should feel less air because my tongue is blocking it? Exactly, you're getting it. But here's why it works. Your tongue learns the position. Your mouth muscles, they're preparing for speaking, like a rehearsal. Rehearsal. One mini rule. If you feel weird, that's okay. Weird means you're learning. Practice number 2. Word drills and check your pronunciation. I need to give you a very important warning. Practicing wrong does not automatically improve you. If you pronounce a word wrong 20 times, you just trained the wrong habit 20 times.
Oh, no. I think I did this with the word really for like 2 years. I was saying lily instead of really.
Yes, that is a very common one. So here is the right way. Step 1. Listen to me. Step 2. Repeat after me. Step 3. Feel your tongue. First pair. Light. L. Touch. Versus right. R. Float. Notice the tongue. Touches on light, floats on right. Abdelrahman, your turn.
Light. Right. Don't forget to practice.
Good. Feel your tongue on light. Next pair. Love. L. Touch. Versus rove. R. Float. Same vowel, different start. Your turn.
Love. Rove. Pause and try your turn.
Excellent. Next one is tricky. L and R are in the middle. Collect. L in middle. Touch. Versus correct. R in middle. Float. Don't hide your tongue. Abdelrahman?
Collect. Correct. Now it's your turn.
Perfect. Now let's try 3 words. Put your hand on your throat. Rice. R. Float. Lice. L. Touch. Price. PR. Float. Feel the difference? Abdelrahman?
Rice. Lice. Price. Don't forget to practice.
You are improving fast. I can hear the tongue position. But words are easy. What about sentences?
Oh no. Here we go again.
In sentences, we flow, but we keep the R and L tongue positions clear. I will say a sentence, you repeat. First sentence. I really like real rice. I really like real rice. 4 R sounds and 2 L sounds. Abdelrahman?
I really like real rice. Now it's your turn.
Nice. Did you feel your tongue on really and like? Next sentence. The red light is on the right. The red light is on the right. 3 R sounds and 1 L. Your turn.
The red light is on the right. Now it's your turn.
Good. One more. This is a tongue twister. Rory's lorry runs really fast. Rory's lorry runs really fast. Lots of R and L here. Can you do it, Abdelrahman?
Rory's lorry runs really fast. Now it's your turn.
Clapping. Wonderful. You didn't mix them up. Listeners, if you did it too, give yourself a clap. You are speaking American English now. Okay, this is the most important part of today's episode, so I need you to really listen. Actually, pause me right now and get a notebook. I'll wait. Ready? Good. Here is your homework for this week. I want you to record yourself saying this sentence. I really love reading and learning English. I really love reading and learning English. Send it to us in the comments or practice it 5 times every morning. Focus on the R in really love reading. Wait, love has an L. Don't forget the tongue touch.
I won't forget. Really love reading. Got it. Aisell, what is next? Will we fix more sounds?
Yes. Next episode, we will tackle another hard sound. Maybe short versus long vowels, or the American R in more detail. You will have to subscribe to find out.
Okay, so just to recap, touch for L, float for R, word drills, sentence flow. And the bridge, practice every day, out loud, with feeling. I'm doing this starting today. Who's with me?
I love it. And here is your homework. Go to the comments right now and write one word with R or L that you want to master. I will reply to every single one. I promise. If this episode helped you, share it with one friend who is learning English, because the best thing you can do for your learning journey is find someone to practice with. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next episode of Speak English with Aisell. Take care, keep practicing, you've got this.